according to him, cannot even understand why Iceland is making that posturing. That Iceland has been doing that, I think, twice. Last year, ganun din ang posisyon niya. And the other year. Until now, he's in wonderment why Iceland is doing that. He can only speculate, or the two of us can only speculate that maybe some activist, either from this country or elsewhere, are feeding Iceland with the wrong information. And Iceland naman is so naive to accept everything that it hears or receives.
How serious, sir, yung pag-consider? I mean, is there a study now on how could cutting ties with Iceland could affect us? How serious is that yung consideration?
Well, he mentioned last night that he's seriously considering cutting diplomatic ties with Iceland. There are only about 2,000 Filipinos there. And as far as we know, there are no trade relations between these two countries, except maybe on fish. Di ba fish ang kanilang main doon, di ba? We're not, hindi ako familiar doon. Tatanungin ko pa nga yung si Sec Lopez.
Is that to say, sir, that there will only be minimal effect to us if we do cut ties with Iceland?
Yeah, certainly. Not only that, we've been having trade relations with other countries. So I don't think cutting a relationship with one country would affect us.